Ah, my face isn't working. I check my chat while my shit loads. Oh yeah, baby. My face moves. What the fuck, Dio? They did like an update to this, and I have no idea what they did to the thrower. Other than like my shit doesn't connect automatically now. Ow! Shit. So I am about ready to start like doing some tests, but I need to have an environment where I can't fuck up what I already got, like the database. So I already kind of like started making the test environment. I made a test schema, and it basically has like everything that my other schema has, and that I need to add like I need to add some things to it. I need to add what do I put? I need to add stuff in the. I need to add tables basically, or stuff in the tables. Rows to the tables. Rows to the tables. Let me delete these. Meow. And I'm Ultra Derek. You can see right there, right there. Yeah. Yeah, right there. I don't really do Rumble any longer. Maybe I need to like set up like an API or something that will like automatically load shit. But Rumble's like a pain in the ass. Like I gotta constantly change shit like all the fucking time. Maybe I should like make an API that like an app that will how do I put it? That'll basically like load like everything I need into things. But the problem is that Rumble doesn't have an API. At least not a like integrated one. So yeah. Oh man. I guess I'll get in the middle of that. I don't know, like, should I put another game on? Let me put some music on here. That felt good. That felt so fucking good. Maybe not like a racing one. It's kind of funny, like after the stream, like the stream, you know. After the stream, I still like went around and was like in the streaming down here, right here. That stream, I was I still went around and played the game like a little bit afterwards. I was just like driving through the fucking the back roads and everything. Not the back roads, just through the forest. That was funny. Let me see if I can load like a different game. Maybe. Let me add one. Actually, let me see what the settings are for this. Properties, restart, playback. Hopefully it like pauses it. Like if I What happens if I hide it? Oh, it still plays in the background. Yeah. I'm a terrible driver. Huh. That kind of fucking sucks. So, like, this is playing in the background? What about this one? Don't tell me this shit's been playing in the background the entire time. What about the Doom? I guess, like, if it's been hidden, maybe start from the beginning. Properties. Restart playback when source becomes active. Yeah, I guess, like, maybe that's what I should do. I thought I'd pause it. There should be, like, pause it. All right, so let's do this. Save. Let me see if this does anything. Bow, 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 bow. Now I'll hide it. I don't see a difference. Let me add. I'm going to add another game. I'm going to add another game. It's harder to do because it fucking no dates. Or they don't do titles. What's this? Keep your eye out. What the fuck is this shit? What is this? Oh, I was playing that. All right, we'll use this one. All right. This is Evanescence. What is that fucking thing called? Neverness to Everness. Evanescence. What was that band called? I'm just gonna copy it and bring it over. All right, so Evanescence. All right, paste it. Paste. There you go. Everness to Neverness. NTEVETN? Or is it ETN? All right. ETN gameplay. Game. There we go. So we'll put that. I'll add that here. Media. New. ETN. Okay. And we'll put on a loop. I doubt I'll be like that long on it. Just go to my desktop. It is so fucking humid. It is like raining right now. And holy shit. All right. Ah, that's it. Hopefully this is long enough. That's what she said. That's what she said, Dio. Hi, everybody. I'm Ultra Derek. I'm playing. I'm talking in there. Intro. I don't think my. Wait a second. And like, I'm not going to be able to finish this before my stream starts. So I decided, boom, mute it. Jake. All right, there we go. I can scoot it forward. There we go. All right, so I've been setting up a thing. I was thinking about making like I was like, I didn't realize I could like do like more SQL things. How did I figure that out? Oh, I was like going around here and I was like, it's like create a new schema. I was like, huh, I can just create a new schema. So I create a test schema and I got these in there, right? There's some things I want to delete, but what I need to do is like copy the table and like a couple things like creator. I don't know if I need YouTube channels. Yeah. So we can go to like we'll go to the public. And like maybe it'd be smart for me to just move all this shit to another schema too. But this thing is like all public. This new one that I got. So yeah, I want to move like we got the public one. So I need to move like Twitch channels, but like first maybe like we will need to do like the creators, right? And so I don't know if I can just like export data. Export table as SQL. So I don't know what this does. Ooh. Let's not. Let's just do a CSV. All right, so we'll save it to my downloads, I guess. And let's create new folder. Tables. All right, there you go. Wow, that was fucking generic. Save. And let's do Twitch. We don't need all these. Archive set. I need to delete this. We'll do the Twitch channels. Yeah, that's important. So let's extract this. Save. And then we'll move to this. And I guess we'll go to like, we'll close this. So now we're in the test schema. Schema. Creators. Import from CSV. Guess we can just go to like creators row. What the fuck? I love you, Ubuntu. Go fuck yourself. All right. Like, what the fuck, dude? That's a feature. So we're in creators. All right, so let's import the data. Non-default. Well, just fucking delete it. All right. All right. Creators row. I thought I just told it like it was comma separated. Didn't I just tell it's comma separated? Never mind. So I guess like, how do I just... Can I just do that? There we go. Unfortunately, it's not gonna like Yeah. Yeah. So let's just save it. Say use text CSV format. There you go. Did that work? All right. All right. All right. Let's see if this works. You think this is gonna work now? Cannot insert a non-default value? What's a non-default value? Well, just fucking... I don't get it. Why can't this shit go in there? Is it the top row? All right, let's kill this. Let's delete it. Fuck. I want to like try this again. We'll go to public. I bet it's that top row. I bet it's at... Yeah, I bet it's at top row. Edit rows, creators rows. All right, so open with your mom. I kind of want to keep it like that. If I can keep that shit the same. All right. All right, let's save it. There we go. Let's go back to... Wrong button. There you go. Creators. You think it's going to drag and drop? What is this? Let's cancel this. Open with... Why did I put like a 1 and shit? All right. Huh. Oh, what is going on here? Data is incompatible. Well, what's wrong with it? Here's a preview of the data. CC cannot be imported if your table is header. Well, what the fuck? Okay, do I have to do this again? One last time. Okay, what I'm gonna do this time, instead of like being a retard and not making a copy, I'm gonna make a copy of it, right? And then, and I have to do this one first. Okay, creators, export, CSV. All right, so save. right, so copy, paste. All right. Let's see what happens when we just throw that shit in there again. And see what it says. Test schema. Creators. Oh, I can just go in. Ah, look at that. Look at the brain on Brad. Okay. Upload a CSV. The first row should be the headers of the table, and that your header should not include any specialized characters other than the. Should be YY mama that our as us. All right. Configure. Select which column to import. There you go. It doesn't have a problem with that, right? Okay, is it because of like that 2 there? Because I don't have 2 there? All right. So maybe. Oh, wait a second. Let's do this again. So we'll just update these. There we go. Ta-da! It didn't like that skipping too. It didn't like that I was skipping too. This is why I'm kind of considering like making like a whole new one of these, where I don't have the ID in there, and yeah. All right, so we got the creators, and then we'll do the Twitch channels. And import data. What? Creator ID. Maybe it's this one. So we'll bring it over. Motherfucker. This is annoying. What the fuck? It tried to put it in, but it didn't do it. And then like, oh my gosh. Undo it. Undo it. Should I like go in there and change them all? Pipkin Pippa's one, so I guess like edit row. Wait a second, not row. Wait. Can I just type in the number there? Initialize true. Creator ID. Okay. And then this would be 2, right? Wait a second. Is there multiple of these? All right. Why can't I just like type something in here? Record. Select a record. Oh my gosh. It kind of sucks. Like what? powder. Yay. Easy peasy. Damn it, I hate that I have to fucking type on all these things. Good thing I don't have like 100,000. There we go. Excellent. So the other place where you gotta like change the shit, and you just gotta remember not to fucking fuck it up. I updated it and re-downloaded it. What the fuck? Reconnected again. Channel worker. All right, so it's here. I think you just changed this. I think you just changed this, and my thing's called like. I could test this, right? Which we will do. I think public URL. Okay. I think I think I want to do like, I think I want to do something better than this. I don't really want to pass it in here. I like how this just kind of sets it up. So I thought about maybe setting up an environmental variable. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I think it'll be easier if I set up environmental variable. Easier? Did I say easier? I don't think easier is the right word. I think it'll be I think it will be a little bit how do I put it? It'll be a smid, like, I don't know. Like, the thing is, I have to fucking find it, and like, I know where it's at, and then I gotta get changed in here. Either way, I'm like gonna have to dig around. I either have to dig around in the command line to change it, or I have to dig around in here and change it. I was thinking maybe I can like create one. I can do like an init, like func. Yeah, let's do like a thing that like you initialize like at the beginning, and we'll create like a var and like schema environment, and that'll be a string, right? And like this will be like the whole holder or something. And like, let's go. I usually don't like just making like constants, but we can make like a constant, and then like here, wrong one. You gotta use this one for some odd reason. All right, so like this constant, and then like const, And then we can do like public env, and that will equal like public, right? And then we can have like test env, and that will equal like test. What'd I name it? Test schema. So test schema. Shit. SCHEMA, right? And here we'll put this. Bam. And func. And like, you can only like have 2 of these, right? Like set environment. And okay, set test environment, maybe like set test environment, and then like func set production environment, environment, right? And let's have like a var init, or like, should we have like an error? I almost think we should have an error. All right, so oh, how about this? Let's do like, let's have this. All right, let's do this. All right. Oh, let's keep these for a second. For a second, let's create a public like type environment env, and we can make a byte. It doesn't fucking matter what it is. Type environment byte, and then like, and then we'll create some things here like type in. Ooh, wait a second. env, and then we'll have we'll have a I was just gonna put like a, and then we'll have like a const environment I guess, and then like const env. Oh shit, it doesn't matter. Environment equals 0. We're not even gonna fucking do anything with this. So then we'll have like env. Oh, I can't do that. Environment. There we go. And like set test. Should we have a constant? There we go. So I was gonna have like something else in there, but this will be it. So 0 set test, and then like in here, if test, if e equals 0, um, E equals, yeah. Let's do this. No. If E equals 0, E equals 1. And then we'll load this thing. So this is set test. Or I can just like, yeah, that doesn't matter. And I wish we had like flags somewhere else. And we'll do like schema environment equals test environment, right? And then like return and else error log dot. I'm gonna put like a warning. Yeah. Environment already set. There we go. And then bam, we're gonna copy this. Shit, I don't even need like this here, right? I can just fucking set. I can just put the quote in there. All right. And pro public environment. Set public. How about that? Yeah. Wait a second. I say environment. I should say set like type schema. And I guess like, yeah, we'll keep on calling it that. env. Should I? Schema environment. How about that? Yeah, there we go. That's the smartest one. And then there we go. And we'll just say schema. There we go. Copy. And I should just fucking. Oh shit. Schema. Wait a second. S. Star. See, when I had that equal 1, like it was not going to do anything. What's wrong with this? Oh my God. Fucking piece of shit. Copy. Paste. And then boom. And then this will be public environment. Love it. Love it. So now I can just like, I think I could just fucking type in like dbase. Look at the main here. Init. I gotta remember not to fuck this up and forget to do this, but I need to have it run at least like a day or two after I get this like all set up. So there's an init here. Do I return early? No. I'll do it here. So dbase dot schema dot set test. There we go. So I haven't tried my test yet. Yeah. I haven't set my test yet. So I don't know what this is. I gotta try that out later. Ooh, I changed it. So earlier I said like I haven't tested a certain thing, so I did test this here. So like I can tell it to stop, right? Because well, it's hidden. It's kind of hidden inside of this helper. But inside this helper, can you see what's inside the helper? I mean, we can go here and just look at the live helper. So it has a CMD. So like you can do stuff with these like it's like path, args, environment, directory. Has like run. I think it has like run and there's cancel. There's like wait, stop call, wait. Yeah, it still waits. I think I used stop. What happened when I used stop? Ooh, I don't even fucking look. No wonder. Wait a second. Okay, it's an L wait. So I didn't return an output. I did return an error when I did it. But then I looked at the file. I looked at the file and it was fine. It was fine. It was sitting there and just minding its own business. So the file like saved. That was like the main thing. I don't know what data it has in it. I can't remember. So yeah. So that worked, right? Let me show you what the function kind of looked like. I think I already did. So I just wanted to I wanted it to get chats for about 99-ish seconds. I chose 99 because of that. I wanted it kind of just roll down and not like look all weird. And then I output it. Output came out nothing. That's okay. And then what I did then was I think I went to the pool afterwards. Yeah. I went to the pool and hung out at the pool. Yeah. It was kind of cold in the pool, but it was nice. It's the neighborhood pool, and what was really nice about that was because we spent, my father, my son, and I, 3 generations right there. I think I got the shit job this time. I was shoveling dirt into a wheelbarrow and a trash can and like a rolling trash can, and they were taking it and dumping it into the backyard somewhere. And before, like the day before, they had the French beds or whatever the fuck, like French. What the fuck happened to Pippa? Is she sick? Sorry. Pause. What's going on here?
Maybe it'll get to. Maybe it'll get to. I feel bad. I didn't even make it to 2 hours.
Oh yeah, she's sick.
This, I'm sending you guys to
To me.
Shinon will be going live soon.
Anyways.
Hello soon, people. Thank you. I'll schedule more of this for next week. I feel bad.
She said she liked the game, so anyway, yeah, she sounds like shit. Anyways, so yeah, the French, I guess like garden, beds. It's like raised. So it's like this, but not with the fucking expensive ass. What is this? Like they're not 2x4s. They're like, I don't know. These are fucking big. Holy shit. It's not this, although it probably would have been more fun to have that set up, but like I think I have something here. I love how that was there, and let's go to my switch accounts. So I did like a thing of it. I did a little bit of a thing. You know the thing. I did a little short because I wanted to die. There, like this here. So a lot of that shit sunk because why is this not playing? What the fuck? It's not like me. Raised. What's going on? So, yeah, it's like this here. That there what they call galvanized steel. So yeah, I wonder if like I don't show that. You'll see my daughter here. She's just like laying out. It's funny. She's just like, fuck this shit. Ah! You can see her she's just fucking laid out there. That was last year. So yeah. But a lot of that shit sank. And so we added like a pile of fucking dirt. And I only took like a little picture of it. Let's go to my profile. And so we have 2 of those, right? And this is part of it. I didn't want to like dox myself. Our house. But yeah, there's a shadow of a tree right there. And Geo Cities, whatever the fuck it is. I think maybe this is like half of it was like 4 cubic yards. Yeah. So we filled up like 2 of those like beds there, and that was like a lot harder for them because they had to fucking lift that shit like over into it. Like this is not here on purpose for reference, but yeah, there's like a little shovel there for reference. And yeah, that's the outside. And then here, man, what's gonna happen if this shit rusts? Is that gonna be bad? Holy fuck. Anyways, I still think it's funny my daughter's just laid out there on the trampoline. We moved it to the corner. Yeah, my parents like they bought this property, and like brand new home, like the grass here, like there was none on the lot. It was like no grass, had to lay down straw and seed. Yeah, So that's what my dad did. And then like he planted all these fucking trees. Ow! All these trees. We have like hundreds of trees. And we get enough twigs that fall down to start a fire. We have like a pit over there. I think I could show it. Like, yeah, there's the pit. There's the pit. And my mom like put up like surveillance cameras everywhere. Cause she's she's scared. People are gonna like, yeah. So anyways, yeah. So they, yeah. We, so they had it much harder, I think, than me yesterday. But today, I was the one shoveling this shit. We got all this pile like fucking gone. This pile is fucking gone. Gone. I had to shovel it into a wheelbarrow and some trash. We used like one trash can and like filled it partially. But then like we threw all that dirt basically into a pile in the backyard. And there was 2 centipedes, you know, those like fucking furry ass ones that like, ugh. Those furry ass centipedes, they were there. Yeah, they were there and like one of them died. They got stepped on or something. I don't know what. But the other one was like trying to, like I was like spreading out this tarp and it was like trying to find a hiding spot. And I was like whipping it up, like moving it back to the dirt and shit. That was my like form of torturing a centipede because man, those things freak me the fuck out. Although those hairy ones look a lot better than those ones that are just like smooth and like look like they'll murder your whole family. Yeah, but those furry ones are kind of like, ugh. Anyways, yeah. I don't know why it's acting all weird here. Yeah, I'm tired as fuck, and we went to the pool, and like just like I got in there for about 30 minutes, but like I was like, I'm gonna fall asleep in this pool. I better get out. So I got out. My daughter, like, she's nonverbal autistic. So she kept like coming out of the pool and I was like standing like right next to the side of the pool. And like, I was like, what the hell does she want? I was like, well, and then I got out and then she was just like standing right next to it and then like moved over to the side somewhere else and like just was standing there like right at the edge of the pool. I was like, does she want me to like push her in or something? So I pushed her in. And then she got out again and was like kind of standing right next to the pool. And I was like, I think maybe she wants me to push her in again. And I was going to push her in and she was like putting her weight back into me. I was like, she's not wanting to go in. I'm like, what? Because she can swim the deep end, right? Like she knows how to float and stuff like that. Like she can get around the pool. She's not like an expert swimmer or anything, like, but she can float in it and like not scared of like, you know, she's not really scared of anything. She knows how to float. But yeah, she was giving me resistance. So I doubled up and pushed her in. Yeah. Fun times, yo. Fun times. Yeah, I might extend my, my Proxmox data. Now that I know I can do like different schemas in here. I thought I only could do like a public. I wasn't really like paying attention, but now that I'm, you know, now that this is not like brand new to me and I was like actually looking at shit, like here, generate new schema. I was like, oh, I can fucking do that. I can do that. So let's do a test. I don't know. I don't really want to do a test. I guess I can add like we can add somebody to here. So I got like a, let's make sure. This might have a hard time here. So I got a UI here. No, wait a second. And this UI was built by an AI. So yeah. Which one do I get? I don't know which one's a good one. All right, it's this one. So does it create its own? I think it creates its own. Okay, so ew. I think, what the fuck? So I think I should make like a I'm thinking like I probably should make like a thing here, right? That like the same thing. Hello. I think I should do like the same thing that I did here, right? Set production environment. Set nothing environment. I don't know. I gotta think about it. Actually, this will be the fastest way for me to like see if the schema thing worked, right? So let's do that. Let's copy this. I've decided to make a C variant. A C variant. Ah. Meow. Ooh. There we go. I kind of want to like, maybe I can change this around a little bit. They either take away. Or look stupid. Oh. Ah. Where'd that shit go? Alright, so really on this. A non-client. Why is this all like this? Is there any other clients? Logo files. Ew. All right, so we need to have this work for us, not against us. Should I have it like default to public? I think I should have it default to not doing anything. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so yeah, this will be the fastest way to see if it works. I think. We can create and like we can go to like web UI dot schema dot set test. Bam. Ooh, yeah. All right. Set test. I love it. Dio. All right. I'm thinking like I'm thinking, did I set the test here? Yeah. All right. So let's go to, let's see. All right. And go run it. Is it go run main? Yeah. What? Oh no. That didn't work. That didn't work. All right. That didn't work, Dio. All right, so let's do this. We all know that E equals MC squared. I mean, I guess we do. Is that common knowledge? All right, let's see if set public does it. All right. Let's cancel you. And then run it. All right, that worked. So I think I need to like edit permissions maybe. All right, so let's cancel this. Oh no, I might have to check on my daughter. Set. Test. Set test, test. Test environments, test schema. No. All right, so test schema, table editor, project overview. Is there any issues here? Database? No. SQL editor? No. That was maybe table editor or something. Should have had all the shit in there. Huh. I wonder if I need to have like a another key made for it. All right, so not that one. Not that one. Did I close it? Make me a garden like you do for those French gardens. Your project. Yeah, I got the anon. Do I need to make a new key? Game that was the game there was Neverness to Everness. It's okay. It's okay. Schema, test schema. User select. Let me show what I was using. Let me see this. Service client, anon client. All right. All right, so maybe I. All right. All right, so I got this. I think I'll be able to figure it out with this. Dashboard settings. Settings API. Oh, okay. Let's go to setting. Where? What? Damn it. Dashboard, settings API. All right. Hold on a second. I don't know if it'll show anything. Edit dashboard. All right. Go away. Settings. Back to dashboard. All right, I don't know what I'm doing. Told me I can edit shit. So how do I? Okay. Fucking piece of shit. I don't go here. All right, so I am using the community version. I am using the localized version. So I don't think I don't really see like the settings API. I am not seeing the settings API. When you use the localized Superbase or Docker setup, yeah, I got the Docker setup. The graphical user initially disabled because the configuration changes must be made via configuration files rather than. I don't even know how I can get in the configuration files. Open your main YAML, look for that service. I don't even know where the fucking Docker Compose is. Where would that Docker Compose be? Where is... It's been a while. It has been a while, and it was my... Basically... And this was basically my first time using Docker. Where would the compose Docker compose file be typically? Inside a directory where you originally cloned and downloaded the Superbase source code. I don't know. Where'd I put it? Hold on a second. I think it's in maybe that I panel. No. So I got like this one panel thing. Let's go to the one panel. Oh, wait a second. There it is. Ah. All right. Ultra super. Fuck. App Store. Hold on a second. This can show some shit. Yo. Snapshot. Security. Panel. License. E-logs. Login logs. System logs. Ooh. That's fucking it. Panel service. Task log. Operations log. DDD's nuts log. Toolbox. Cron jobs. Terminals. System. I have no idea where it's at. So, monitoring. One of these is like they told me to be like very careful not to show it. Because they'll like show everything. Overview. I show all my settings. I'm thinking like maybe it's in there. AI. Websites. Databases. Why doesn't it have like my database in here? I'm not seeing it in here. Containers. There it is. All right. Okay, I got the compose. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I can't show this compose at all. Can I hide this? Okay. All right. Let me. Does this show anything? All right. So. If I click on this compose, it'll show all my compose shit. All right. So it's in containers. Duh. Duh. I think I want to switch the game that's playing on there. Oh. I think it'd be much more fun if people saw me playing Factorio. I don't know. All right, so okay, I found it. Oh, I see. All right, so it's telling me what? Using that CLI part B pure Docker compose. If you spun up Superbase using a Docker script, modify the environmental variables feeding them Postgres. Enter. Open your env or your Docker compose. Look into the register container responsible for the REST API, often named REST, or matching the Postgres image. Find the environmental find the environmental variable name. Append it. All right. All right, let's look for that. There's like special stuff in it. This won't fucking completely like trash this, will it? Postgres schemas. All right, can I do a find? This is huge. Yo, go true. He said it's in the rest, right? Postgres DB schemas. Shit. All right. They said environment, right? env. All right. Let me just ask it like, I want to do like 100,000 on this. There you go. Copy. All right. paste. The Docker compose has this listed for the environment. I don't think this has anything that shows anything bad in it. Yeah, I'll show you all. So yeah, the compose. Yeah, they have like other environment here. So I don't know if there's like an ENV somewhere else. Because it has Postgres password, host, and all that shit. Like it's like, I think this might be like the wrong spot. Is it? Except, like, I changed this here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going to ask you a question. Side note. I changed paste. I guess we'll put 1,000 here. To is this the place to change it? I want to change. I'll just say I want to change. I see, like, is that cool? I mean, like, is this where I do it? It was. Is this where I do it? There you go. Do not edit the Dr. Compose because the URL syntax likes. What? You just told me to fucking do it. Oh, it says ENV. What? Docker is pulling those values from a hidden configuration file named .env located in the exact same folder. I didn't tell it was in the folder. .env. I don't know. Well, I'm not in the right spot, dude. Where is this? All right. Where's the .env? I don't know where the .env is. Well, I guess I'll fucking delete that. Can I open the file? Where is this located? Pooler size? What? Kong. It says like ports and shit. It says environments and. Alright. Logs, compose. Man, this fucking blows. This fucking blows. I just found it too. Let's just refresh the page here. There we go. I don't want to save shit on accident. directory. All right. Ah, there we are. Ah, I found it. All right. So this is located. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to do like a sudo shit. All right. Can I just, I can fucking edit it right in here. Oh my gosh. I wish I could show y'all this. Wait a second. All right. So, wait a second. What? Containers. Files there. How do I find that folder? Okay. Let me show you all. So, phew. All right, I went to, I hit directory right here. I wonder what. Backing up, like, hold on a second. I'm gonna back this up. Don't. So I hit directory and bam, man, that fucking thing was opened up. Out of bed. So there's environment. I don't know if I have to, if I can edit here and then save it, or if I have to like, do I have to give it like, I mean, like I can just find it like here, right? And then like do a sudo. I might have to go into root, not sudo. Yeah, so I'm gonna, all right. I'm gonna go in the environment. I did click on that environment already and it like showed like, it showed everything. So I think for both of these, they don't really show anything. Oh, there's this. Okay. I found the schemas. All right, so I did find the schemas. Yeah, I found it. Did I say I found it? Because I did. So I'm gonna copy this test schema. I'll put it in there. Comma test schema. Paste. There you go. Ports. All right, it's just like pool size. What are these pool size? Pool's closed, bitch. I just don't want to like double it up on accident. All right, what's this? Can I save this shit? I'm not seeing that one thing that they said that might have. We'll just put it at the end. Oh, I hit the print button. No. Paste. Where's paste? Control V. There we go. Let's save it. It said I was updated successfully. How does I have fucking root access? Man, that's scary. That's scary. All right, so I'm gonna close this. Let's see if this fucking works. All right, so it was telling me I put that shit in there. Do I have to type in sudo? I saved it. So like for clips, I got like thousands of clips. Millions. What's funny, like, okay, so like I can have like this running now. Like I was like worried like Hey, what if I like make some major changes? Now I'm gonna start versioning my shit. Oh my god, that's so fucking weird. Start versioning my shit. Yeah. You have 1 exabytes of clips. Here's the thing. It's all in text. It's all in text. They just tell you where it's located at on the VOD. All right. OS clear. I bet I have to do sudo. What? Does that have to go in that fucking folder? Okay. Open the terminal in which that folder. I don't know where it's at. Fuck. 192.100.100.100.100.100.100.100.0. All right, so containers, environment. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I put it in there. All right, so interesting directory. All right, so terminal. Oh my goodness, look at this. Terminal. I guess it puts me in root automatically. What the fuck? I wonder if I could like. Oh shit. What variable is that? Oh my god, did I fuck it up, chat? I think I'll kill myself if I fucked it up. All right. All right, so I guess like here, let's see if it's running. How am I still like able to log into this shit? Oh no. Oh shoot. All right, test schema. Excellent. It's back up and running, baby. All right, so we're on this here, right? And the main's on the start test. Yeah. I guess I knew I was going to go back to it. Open your... It didn't save it. It didn't work. Did I give it the wrong name? Hold on a second. Test schema. Did I save the wrong name into the thing? All right, hold on a second. It's in there. All right. All right, so I make sure. Well, I don't know what my public URL rest is. Okay. All right, so copy this. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Site URL. Huh. I am just looking through some of these things here. All right, so I'm having problems. Yeah, it's not working. Let me exit this. I did have that set right? Schema, test schema? Yeah, it's in there. Oh, I know what to check. Another place to check. Wait a second. No, I don't know. Never mind. I was gonna see if it changed some of this shit. I didn't change that. But it did change my config file. All right, so I think we're fine here, but I'm gonna go over and click this. Okay, so it did not work, right? The thing looks like nothing happened. So open browser, nothing showed up. Something should have showed up. So did I fuck something up? Preferences. Integrations. Likey, long time. it. So I have a web UI and nothing, and I loaded the tables. I loaded its tables and nothing is coming up. I set show this. Schema. Schema. Yeah, let's just call it schema. Schema and env. I'll just call it schema env. There we go. There we go. There we go. So I should have like been smarter about this. Okay. I'm gonna show this. Copy. Schema env is set to test. Is it test schema? Yeah. Let me double check here too. I could have like put it in wrong. Yeah. And it ain't working. Other tables and those other ones. So it works. It works if I set it to public. So it still uses my seconds. Yeah. So yeah. But it's not the. But it isn't the public. But it isn't the the test environment. But it isn't the test environment. And the code below. Being said. I don't think it's so. I don't think it is my web UI. Or maybe there's some setting, or maybe there is some setting somewhere around. I don't know. Settings somewhere else I need to set. All right. All right. Maybe like there's like a public somewhere. Uh, despite the correct. Ooh. The main. Let's just fix this. Post. Default Go Postgres does not crash your code on database errors. It swallows them into the current response struct. If console isn't showing errors, well, it's kind of hard to see. The console, oh, it's not printing it. Yeah, it's not printing anything. It's a sequence permissions, most common web UI trap. If you create a tables and test schema with auto incrementing ID columns, like your Go client can read them, but inserting rows will fail. Yeah. Read the UI. This happens because the tables have permissions, but the hidden Postgres sequences tracks the ID. All right. I was thinking maybe it might have been this. Let's copy this. I'm thinking it's maybe this. Double check that how you loaded tables. If you ran an optimization script or copied them over, they're very likely mapped to. They were distinctly mapped to testing. Without pending the schema prefix. Table name. What? No, I didn't use that. I didn't use that. Available in your Docker unit file. The containers must be completely power cycled. I thought we just did that. What exact error message, if any, prints up on your console when you add that? All right, we'll go back. We'll try this one first and see if it works. So test schema to Ana. All right, so holy shit! I thought this was gonna be like 2 seconds long. You know, you know what I'm saying? So let's create a new one. And all right, so I think I kind of did that here. Grant usage, blah blah blah. What if I did something similar here? No. Anyway, wait a second. Maybe that policy there, maybe I need to do this. What the fuck? YouTube streams. Maybe I need to do this. All right, so maybe it's this one. All right. Is that what this is doing? All right, let's copy this. Copy. And there we go. And then we could change like public to crazy. This is like, are they fucking using VS Code in here? Are they using VS Code in here? Anyway, this looks like just like VS Code. Test schema. Bam, 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 bam. And then they had like another one. Right? Bam, bam. This is for, oh, that was for YouTube channel. This one, 364, what the fuck is the different? What the fuck? What's this 364 shit? What the oh, that's a new one I just made. All right, so all right. This is YouTube. 364 is for YouTube. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Where's Twitch? I don't know. This is it. Why is this here? What is going on? What? Why did... What? What the fuck? Did I turn it off? I did. Yay! Wait a second. AI is so annoying. It's fucking annoying. This AI like worked perfectly for me. I was like kind of questioning it because I saw something that I did before. So I was like looking at something else, but whatever they just worked, and hopefully it didn't like open up everything to everybody. Yeah. Although it's like a test thing. It's 11:56. I want to close this. I was thinking it was that. Okay. Oh, I wanted to double check to make sure this is like. This is a test, right? Yeah, works. Works, don't it? It works, don't it? All right, so yay. Let's see if we can add something to it. All right, so let's see. Billy Bong Thornton.
Yeah. No way! Fuck!
We can put I don't think I have chroma. Chroma.
Cutie baby.
Mario's gay.
And he's racist too.
He's racist.
And he's racist too.
Wait, I already have you guys
Wait
on
a
my
second.
Boogie group. Let's go.
Yeah.
I think.
You did, yeah.
Oh,
Let's
shit.
go. You add up.
Wait, that's the wrong one. That was the wrong one.
Chromu. Guy does Mahjong. Fucking gets all the bitches. Play Mahjong, get all the bitches. I'm not the one that sets the rules. Anyways, yeah. I don't play Mahjong. I don't play Mahjong. And I was doing something. I can't remember what. Oh, yeah. Now I remember. We'll call her Chromu. And it's Chromu. Crow much or moo. Or crow much or moo. All right, so copy that. And we'll see where this goes. Where does this fucking go? It goes right here. Right there. All right. Updated successfully. Chromu. Oh, it's not showing the YouTuber Twitch. It's not showing the YouTuber Twitch. Ah! What the fuck, Dio? All right. All right, so I found the creator's channel, but it's not returning. I'm going to ask it this. So, all right, so I did the part two. And it found the creator. I found one table, but didn't find the others. What are these tables called? I don't think I renamed them. Did I rename them? What song is this? Millie Scott. 1987. Too Hot to Handle. They know what I like. They know what I like. Create table users. Yeah. I think I have. All right. So let's, okay, so it's saying like this here. So those things aren't showing up, right? Let's go here. I'm pretty sure they're showing up like, let's cancel this, right? And let's set the main. Let's set the main to public. There we go. And bam. Ooh. Did I rename something? That's crazy. Right. Let's try this again. I wonder if I like did something bad. Yeah, it used to have the shit in there. All right. So I've been kind of going on like a renaming shit. Phase. Yeah. What the fuck is going on here? All right, so. So we set it public, right? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Page data, create a row. Name your... All right. All right, map, creator ID, creator name, YouTube name. Like, I didn't change anything for this shit. I might have changed this. Let's go look at the thing. Oh, you know, I just realized. Anytime I make changes to this shit, I'm gonna have to fucking go in here and fucking add shit and unrestricted. Everything's unrestricted. Public. Okay. All right, so let's go to like YouTube. Meow, 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 meow. Maybe it's... Maybe I should add the YouTube ones too. Let's add the YouTube ones also. Uh, storage. So we'll get the YouTube channels and copy name. Fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Export data, CSV, save. Well, it didn't work before for the other one, but we might as well put these in there. So let's copy and paste it. And in here, oh yeah, we can just throw that in there. All right, so we'll go into the schema. And we'll go to YouTube channels. Yeah. And import that. Go up to here. We don't want to import the ID. I don't think we want to import the creator ID either. Can I change this value? All right, so import data. Now, let's go to creator. So YouTube channels. Can I put this aside so I have it open at the same time? All right, so Pippa, Henya, 1, 2. Oh. Henya. Yeah. 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 Oh. Yep. 18's it was lab, right? Tenma. All right. Amelia. All right. There you go. Okay. Reload. Not working. I was able to. Oh. All right, so I think this is the program side. I think this is the program side is running the problem. We got Twitch channels. Client from Twitch channel seems fine. So let's air. So I think this happens like way too fast for me to see. Air and extract channel name. Yeah. Air and there you go. We don't need that. There we go. There we go. And here. There we go. Yeah. It's kind of weird that, see, did I touch anything here? I don't think I touched anything here. But there might be problems. So, all right, so let's do this again and then go run main. Open browser. Yeah. Like this comes up. Interesting. All right. All right. Yeah. Huh. I don't know. Maybe this never said anything. I'm pretty sure it had like their name. So ID, name, YouTube, Twitch, actions. Maybe we see something like that in here. All right, not that. Not there. I don't think it's doing it. Yeah. Name your stream video. Where's the output? You must whip it. You must whip it. Let's look at the Chroma one and see if it saved that shit. Oh, it didn't save it there. It's YouTube though. It did save it here. Okay, that's good. And creators, it did save it. All right. Add creator. Edit creator. YouTube stream. You must whip it. All right. Extract channel name. URL. Creator ID. I think this is extract, right? Nothing's coming out. I can't remember if there was something, if it was printing or not. I'm pretty sure it was in the past. Goodness me, I'm tired. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. Digging all that dirt made me tired. So tomorrow we'll be making some thumbnails. Yay. Although I want to do this. Maybe I can figure this out during the day. Oh, maybe I can figure this out during the day. I'm pretty sure this is fine. Creator ID, creator name, name, URL. Right? So, creator ID, creator name, right? Wait a second. Name, URL. Shit. So this is all right, this is YouTube. Let's go to Twitch. Creator ID. Well, where's it getting the name and all that shit? This is past. Ah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is working before. I think this is what I mean. It's kind of weird because it's. I'm looking at a covered. I don't even know what it's talking about. I'm so tired. Okay, let's call it. I'm done. I have no idea what I'm talking about any longer. And it's really weird that those things aren't popping up. Yeah. I think I'm gonna like send this thing to something. I'll send like this code to the fucking AIC where I mess it up. I wonder why it's taking creator but it's not getting the other shit. Yeah. Oh. I literally like completely forgot what I was like talking about, like as I was like saying something. I was like, holy fuck. Am I even fucking making sense any longer? Yeah. Luckily all the dirt's gone. All right, good night. Good night. Stay out of trouble, everybody. Especially you, Grateful. Yeah. Too much sun. Too much sun, baby. Yeah. All right, good night. I'm out of here. Never fear. I am out of here.